Okay, first graders, we are going to learn 5 new vocabulary words today, and then we will, of course, listen to a story and see if we can use them on our own. So, the words we have today, the first one is bloom. Okay, do you know what is happening when we say the word bloom? Usually we're talking about a flower is opening up. Okay, so we have our flower closed, just like that, bloom. Okay, so that one's pretty easy to remember. The next one is related. It's sprout. Okay, when something is going to sprout, it is going to begin to grow. If you talk about sprouts, you're talking about a plant that has just started to grow. So we're going to have our hand here with a hole in the ground, and we come grow out of it. Okay, so that is sprout. Bloom, sprout. Can you see how they're both related to plants? Okay, the next one is assist. If you assist someone, you are helping them. Okay, so here's somebody who needs, and I'm going to come and be right there and help them out. Assist. Next is grasped. If you grasped onto something, you grabbed it and held it tight. Okay, so grasp, you're holding onto it tight. Grab it and hold on tight. That's grasped. And finally, it's spied. If you spy something, you see it. Okay, you are looking and you see it. So we're going to say our eye caught that. Okay, so if you spied something, our eye caught it. Does that make sense? Okay, let's look at their example sentences they have for these words. Okay, so here we have bloom. Oh, okay. And in spring, the flowers bloom and show their pink petals. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, in spring, the flowers bloom and show their pink petals. Sprout. Tiny leaves start to grow after the seed sprouts. Sprout. Oh, so bloom was that and sprout, like there. Max assists his teacher by handing back papers to the class. Maya grasped the string of the kite so it would not blow away. And finally, the cat spied a mouse sneaking across the table. Do you spy the mouse? There it is. And that is the end of the vocabulary words. The rest of that are the sight words. Okay, so we'll look at those more later. But now it's time for us to go listen to a story and see if we can hear bloom, sprout, assist, grasped, and spied being used in the story. You ready? Here we go.